Revolvers have existed for a very long time, and over the years, the firearms industry has seen a rise of outstanding revolvers with breathtaking performances. With manufacturers like Ruger, Smith & Wesson, Taurus, Colt, and many others consistently making improvements and creating new firearm designs, it's safe to say that innovation is in full bloom in the industry. Today, we'll show you 10 revolvers that have not only had their names written in the sands of time, but have also become popular among shooters of various categories. You'll find this video helpful, interesting, and enjoyable, so as you watch, please don't leave out the part where you give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. That being said, let's check out the 10 popular revolvers of 2024. One pistol that has evolved pretty greatly over the past few years is the Smith & Wesson Model 686. It's gone through different chambering like the 38 Special, 44 S&W, and now it's in the 357 Magnum, making it one of the most powerful revolvers around today. It's a popular revolver known for its accuracy, consistency, and reliability. For people who love their handguns weighty for many reasons, the Smith & Wesson Model 686 remains a top choice because that extra weight, when compared with revolvers of the same 6-shot category, gives it maximum balance and control. This particular model has a 4-inch barrel. However, there are various barrel options ranging from 2.5 to 8.3 inches. It's available in double and single action, and its versatility is a top factor that many shooters consider very appealing. With a price tag that could suggest a rethink, Smith & Wesson sells anything above $900, but you get 100% of your money's worth. For the convenient carry it offers, the Taurus 905 by far remains a highly popular sub-nose revolver. Its miniature structure and concealable features put it on the list of best revolvers suitable for concealed carry. The 5-shot cylinder of the Taurus 905 is complemented by a trigger pull that, although heavy, serves as a safety feature for the revolver. The fact that the Taurus 905 is chambered in the popular 9mm round makes finding ammunition less of a hassle, especially for shooters who already have a handle of semi-auto pistols. The 2-inch barrel and 22-ounce weight of the revolver enhance easy carry, putting it in the category of top pocket pistols. The 905 sells for as low as $423. Therefore, it's readily available to people searching for a budget-friendly handgun to carry around just in case. As the SDR stands for, the Diamondback SDR is a self-defense revolver that hit the market recently but has wormed its way into the hearts of many despite it being new. The Florida-based manufacturer of the SDR intended for it to be a compact revolver that's easy to carry around, aim, and shoot, and that's exactly what it is. The simple design of this revolver and its 357 Magnum caliber are top features that prove that Diamondback still has its head in the game, having been known to produce mainly AR-10 and AR-15 weapons for a long time. The SDR is a 6-shot double-action single-action revolver that weighs 21.2 ounces with a short barrel of 2 inches and a price tag of $777. What most find exciting and fascinating about the Diamondback SDR is its smooth trigger and clean break that beats anything most DA/SA revolvers are known for. When it comes to durability, the Heritage Arms Rough Rider takes the stage. Although its barrel is quite long, measuring 6.5 inches, the ease of use it offers is a reason for its popularity. The recoil of the handgun is almost non-existent. It's just a few ounces away from being considered weighty. Still, the fact that it shoots well and delivers accurately is enough to cover for its lapses in the area of concealability. The Rough Rider is in the 22 LR caliber and operates in a single action. It's made of an aluminum frame and a steel barrel, and its grip is wooden. It's manually operated, and those who enjoy it old school always find it appealing. The best part is that it's affordable, sells from $200, and seldom exceeds $300. Simple and efficient are two words that best define the Charter Arms Bulldog. Moreover, it has a 3-inch barrel, a length known to give ammunition more power and velocity, especially for revolvers. When you talk about lightweight revolvers, rarely will you find a list that doesn't include the Bulldog, as it weighs just 20 ounces, which is quite impressive. That, in addition to its striking appearance, draws a lot of attention towards this well-engineered handgun. With sights that make for good target acquisition and remarkable DASA trigger pull, everything about the Bulldog is top-notch. It holds a 6-round capacity, and the manufacturer's suggested retail price for this beauty is $452. Before we show you our top 5 popular revolvers, here's a fact you should know. The Taurus Defender 605 Toro is the first successful optics-ready revolver, and it allows for the seamless mounting of compact red dot sight. You'll learn more about the Taurus 605 when we get to number 3. In the concealed carry market for revolvers, there are many failed attempts at a good CCW, as lapses often rule some revolvers out. The Ruger LTR, however, is not one of that failed attempt. This lightweight revolver is designed to be so portable it goes unnoticed, and that's why it's very popular. The more people try it, the more it gets recommended, and the more the LTR gains fame. The best part is that no matter your favorite caliber, you'll find an LTR that works for you, whether a .357 Magnum or a 9mm. The .357 Magnum, which we're more concerned about, has a 5-round capacity that's very powerful, further increasing its fame. And as Rugers are known for being a bit high-priced, this one comes at a cost too. It costs $719, and it's not too much to pay for a revolver with as much power as the LTR. The Colt King Cobra is a descent of the snake guns as they're known. If you know anything about Colt, then you know that they're one of the oldest manufacturers in the game. Their expertise in producing top-tier firearms, especially revolvers, precedes them. Therefore, they've earned the love and respect of millions of shooters. There are lots of shooters who stay loyal to the Colt lineup and won't use anything else, and you can't blame them because the brand seems to have something different to a particular need in the market, so there are varieties of options to pick from. The King Cobra is in the .357 Magnum and is a 6-shot revolver that's compact, reliable, and ideal for concealed carry. It weighs 28 ounces, and its grip and frame are made from the finest of materials. Whether shooting with bare hands or gloves, the trigger fits perfectly due to its shape. Overall, the shooting accuracy and reliability of the Colt King Cobra continue to be a reason most people prefer it to tons of revolvers on the market. And it cost only $900, a steal for such a great piece of metal. We introduced the Taurus Defender 605 Toro in the bonus section, and now here's a deeper look into the revolver that made history by being the first ever optics-ready revolver. This all-steel revolver is a lovely sight to behold. Its sleek appearance and compact design make anyone who comes across it want to have a taste of it, and for its ability to always deliver more than expected, it's found its way into many collections whose owners can't get enough of it. The Taurus Defender 605 Toro is a self-defense revolver in .357 Magnum with a 23.5-ounce weight unloaded. The recoil is minimal, which makes it easy to shoot. A feature that makes it even more outstanding is that although it's in .357 Magnum, it works perfectly well with the .38 special ammunition with no malfunction whatsoever. This is a breakthrough feature for many, and hence it remains a popular revolver in the space. It's synonymous with speed and accuracy and is one of the best CCW revolvers for many shooters. Fun fact, it's cheap in terms of price tag, costing just $477. I must start with the fact that the Kimber K6S DASA is the priciest on our list. However, it's commendable that its high price doesn't scare people away. Starting from anywhere above $900, this awesome revolver can go at a $1,500 price tag. It owes its fame to the US Marines, LAPD SWAT team, and Team USA shooting team. Kimber, the world's top manufacturer, widely known the world's top manufacturer, widely known to produce the best 1911s and rifles, decided to produce concealed carry revolvers in .357 Magnum, and the result is an epic lineup, the K6S series, introduced in 2016. The series includes a variety of models, but the K6S DASA by far remains the most popular. With a 6-round capacity, the K6S DASA has a smooth and round profile that makes it fit perfectly wherever you choose to carry it. The grip is a walnut book grip, and the gun feels good in your hands. It boasts a 2-inch barrel, weighs only 23 ounces, and is 4 inches long. People love the K6S DASA mainly because of its profile and performance, and since its release into the market, it's remained a desired weapon. More than a popular revolver, the Ruger Super Red Hawk is a powerful handgun that packs a lot for the punch. It features a 6.5-inch barrel, and the force with which it sends out ammo is nothing a newbie can handle. Those familiar with the Super Red Hawk lineup and who have shot the .454 Castle reckon that this particular revolver crowns the series by reason of its immense accuracy, shootability, efficiency, and overall performance. It houses a 5-round cylinder, and the recoil can be a bit startling, which is why only professionals and seniors get to handle this weapon. And yet, it grows increasingly popular. That's it for our list of 10 popular handguns of 2024. We hope to bring you more informative and entertaining content, so please subscribe and like this video to let us know you found it interesting. Don't forget to join the discussion by dropping us a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.